finna go meet up with some of the gang. Doing the E-way right now.
Hey man, hey look, I got another video dropping for you. I don't even know where this video going on though. But listen, hey, if it's on Vibe with the Gang, man, make sure I go subscribe to everybody though. I'm about to get that in the back, man.
I get that in the back. Subway, eat fresh.
Cool. Hey, if y'all wanna ride out, bro? I wanna ride out sometimes, just let us know, bro. Dude, I ain't no mean ass.
We ain't no that's a GTR, nigga. Damn. Y'all go subscribe to my music. Y'all go subscribe to my music, nigga. MBKZ, man, y'all know what the fuck going on. I'm the coldest at this shit. No cap. Get close, the more it is. Somebody shit wrapping up out that bitch. I'm about to duck out window action for y'all boys on my mama. No head. I ain't gonna fall out type shit. But you know he the safeguard. He love all his people. He beat me.
Did he get over?
Nah.
Damn.
Hell yeah. This bitch is crazy, dog. Nah, man. You fresh as hell, man.
Fresh lineup.
Check out the J's, though. What's that logo on that bitch? For the niggas that think we wear fake shit. You know what I'm saying? What y'all niggas about to get to?
You know, we finna hit that down. Oh, you feel me? Fuck some hoes.
Yeah, he stay vlog. This is my two little camera brothers right here, man. So whenever y'all see me not recording, that's just one of these niggas right here.
Behind that bitch. Let's believe I'm shooting behind my brothers, nigga. My mama.
Damn, y'all, he about to grab the camera on this bitch. This bitch hard, though. I ain't gonna lie. You said what?
You downtown the mic. I'm gonna take your fucking money, nigga.
Oh, yeah.
He
got the cherries on,
something slight though. Hey, the 22nd I'm gonna come wet cutter.
Oh yeah, his birthday, y'all. So I'll spare him up. Happy belated birthday, man. My brother. Look at that cherry, though. This is hard. Hey, bro, why don't this bitch nasty? Time to get a pool in real quick. Hell yeah, nigga, you did your thing on the brake calipers in the fucking. Yeah, in person, nigga, look way crazy.
Hey, do y'all got something that fit on here?
I do. So what y'all gonna throw in here though?
Shit, I gotta change. I told you I'm about to take this bitch off though. This is the carbon fiber. I got the 2015 tail lights, 2015 bumper.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Then I just gotta do my brakes.
You changing the tail lights to the ovals? To the oval?
No, the new ones.
What's the new ones look like?
Shit, the newer cars look.
Like they got the LED ring?
Yeah,
that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. I just found somebody to do the wiring.
This bitch.
I bought the bitch like yeah, but set for this one.
Hell yeah, you better shoot down there. I think they fixing my window though.
No doubt, hey, when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I reveal mine. By the time he get that, by the time I see him be next. Video, bro. That's his video, nigga.
Shit, man.
Tell him hit that sub button.
Y'all know, like, comment, sub, and what I say, share that bitch.
That was another Hellcat.
This bitch hitting over a billion views. I watch this. Hey, if you think this bitch finna hit a billion views right now and you watching it right now, put a green heart, nigga, because I know that you listen to me, because that's my favorite emoji, a green heart, nigga. That's how I know you listen. So put that bitch right now if you think this bitch
Y'all think I got that green thing back there?
No head. You know that's their favorite color. Green Nation, nigga. Everything is green, nigga. Slime slack.
These rims crazy. Though. You got the orange brake covers.
Your body, bro. That bitch is nasty.
I know. Hey, I got somebody that's doing like what's the stars for me? 300.
Vintage spacer, what that bitch called. Fucking sway bar. It's a whole bunch of shit.
Yeah.
Injector, new injectors, new cooler, all that shit.
That shit make it different though.
Ain't a lot of shit that's gonna make your shit jump though. So, you gotta get spark plugs. Spark plugs that's gonna make your shit like. Feel me how your shit be one with a pillar?
Yeah.
They ain't gonna do that like that. Feel me? My shit was sliding, regular did. All you need is brand new spark plugs. Yeah, he do need 309 different. Oh, you need 306.
306, yeah. Oh, that's the one
that's
that
fit on here.
Oh, yeah.
So you can drop that bitch straight in. See, if you gonna get a 309, that's what's on the stat. You gonna have to change your motherfucking drive shaft and shit. You did that shit. I did that shit last year.
Yeah.
I put it on my me and Mike did the same shit. I told him he needs some drills.
Oh, he got the purple tool. I thought he got the purple tool. Shit. Downtown with it, dude.
Yes, sir. What's the deal, y'all? 345 game, man. Hey, Daddy, what you on, boy?
Shit, no shit.
You feel me? We out here, y'all. Man.
Go ahead, see this. We gonna say to this. I believe it's gonna be big tank.
You can turn that bulb off.
Say what up, huh?
We're just the LED shit work.
He said what? No, I gotta get that shit fixed. That's what they were telling me.
What, in there? That piece? Like, you want it.
Huh?
You should be able to just turn it. Try to turn it.
It is turned up. That's what I'm talking about.
Turn it certain ways.
That's cutting it off. Yeah. It's all the way on. Yeah. Say what up, ho?
What's the word?
Just the nigga that don't be on the camera.
Make sure it's not open back.
I don't either.
Yeah, I know. That's crazy.
Bro, don't tell why it looks so fucking hard, bro. No, I see that shit, bro. That shit was bro.
Yeah, see, man. 345. Like, comment, sub, and share that video.
Look at this bitch. Let me tell you what shit.
That's gonna be my signature.
Hey, go show this shit up. Go show my shit up. What this show?
Yeah, man. 300 out this bitch. SRT8, all of it. We got it all, man. No bullshit.
Crown this beat.
Good vlogs, good vlogs. Good vlogs.
Come join the pack, bro.
Tell Reed, come join the pack, bro.
You feel me? Come join the pack, man. Where you at?
Tomorrow I'm
Bro,
not
MJ gonna fucking you know he finna come right back.
It on some bro, it look nasty. It look nasty on some spinning type shit. Oh god.
Yeah, they send me cakes, Eloise shit. I spot out, but I ain't have my Glock, so I shot Z shit. They fuck with me, gon' try to ride my way, gon' end up seasick. To be honest, just some niggas I won't dead, but I ain't beefing. I'm with the demon, they leave bleeding. They think I'm soft cause I be rapping and be singing. He got hit tag, I'm trying to see what he was thinking. Left him in the deep end. Just got some paper, hit the road, tripping. Already tried to tell the niggas don't listen. He caught the body, not so. Listen, already know I missed the old trenches. Yeah, I missed the old trenches. Niggas always listen on they man. Slide down, whole bitches. Let it live, play with all my foes. Switch out my foes, switches for a pussy nigga, come and try me. I ride with my paw, cause this pussy trying to slime. Yeah, these niggas so iffy, man, these niggas so grimy. Hit a nigga up top, and where's mine? When we make it up top, leave a whole nigga behind. His ass up top, now he walking like a zombie.
Yeah, we slide down, Brothers connect like Tetris. Chop put in work. What's the deal, my boy? Yeah. Y'all boys that trying to play ball? Y'all boys that trying to play ball? Hey, come up here, man. Subscribe to that bitch.
Hey, send me all them, bro. I got a story to tell on my story.
On my mama.
Send me all
Look at that boy. Look at that nigga dead in this bitch.
You funny as hell, bro.
This nigga's on the walking shit. Yeah, no, she cool as hell. I'm cool with her now. But my shit dead, buddy.
Let me see your face.
Where's my shit at? What's good? 345. 345, guys. Shut up, man. What's the deal? Y'all know what the fuck going on?
Straight out the mafia, nigga.
You know it. Hellcat rims. Look at the new lights though. Them bitches. Whoo. Them bitches demon, I'm telling you.
Fucking nuts.
Look at that SRT right here, boy. That bitch so nice. We got all 10s around this bitch. Shit. Shit.
Gonna lie, we had Subway today though. This shit all gone, nigga.
Can I get a refill? Bro, I need that bitch for real, boy. I'm exhausted. I'm high as fuck. I ain't hitting the store in hours.
powder donut.
Thanks for telling me though, but before I got around the hole, though.
I think like he been eating powder.
Nigga like me eating booty and shit. I do not eat booty. If y'all niggas eat booty, that shit just trifling. Shit come out that hole. Do y'all know? If y'all putting y'all tongue right there, that shit is
Real shit,
disgusting.
you a nasty
Nigga would never even give me $1 billion for that shit. I mean,
never hit my wood if you eat ass.
a nigga,
on my mama.
a nigga throw me $1 billion, I might, I don't know, but
I might do
nigga,
some freaky shit for a bill.
Hey, put that one emoji on that bitch.
That 150.
Oh yeah.
My nigga 345 been in the car, man. Told him pop the fuck out. He been doing that bitch on the road.
But y'all kept
Max.
leaving, hey, these niggas kept leaving me, dog.
nigga, what?
Nigga talking
Hey
about
man,
this,
how the vlog been so far though, bro?
Man,
This
I don't
bitch
know
been
who
a
channel
banger.
this shit going
I already
on,
told
so
you.
it's going on your shit probably.
if the videos like all out of place, y'all.
Look at this nigga, ain't no blunt.
Money.
Let me see that bitch, Nutty. You gotta walk.
Steve-O crowned this beat.
Now I pop all quarters, tell shorty want some shoes. Yeah, I'm not your last nigga, I cannot lose.
I got that bitch.
It's a 6'4" in the front, I cannot cruise.
We downtown with it. Got 18.
Yeah, it's MBK XLOE shit. I spot out, but I ain't have my Glock, so I shot Z shit. Hey, fuck with me, gon' try to ride my way, gon' end up C-sick. Y'all know this some niggas I want dead, but I ain't beefing. They leave bleeding. They think I'm soft, cause I be rapping and be singing. He got his tail, I'm trying to see what he was thinking. Yeah, we done left him in the deep end. Just got some paper, hit the road, tripping. I already tried to tell them niggas don't listen. He caught a body, not so missing. I already know I'm Mr. Old Trenches. I'm Mr. Old Trenches. Niggas always switch on they man. They some hoe bitches. Let a nigga play with about foes. Switch on my phone, switches for a pussy nigga, come and try me. I lie with my paw, cause this pussy tryna slime. Yeah, these niggas so if you made these niggas so behind me. Hit a nigga up top, hit him where his mom. When we make it up top, leave them whole niggas behind me. Hit his ass up top, now he walking like a zombie. We done turned into a zombie like a COD. That boy be working with the fans, he a COP. If you MBK, then you my dog, nigga DOG. He said that he gon' catch me lacking, nigga, we gon' see it. Man, I swear to God that I'm real with it, cause it lean on me. When you get into it with your bitch, she gon' lean on me. Man, the streets so cold, you might freeze
I
if
got
you
the
don't keep
chop
your
this
heat.
time. I was repping that last video, you feel me? I'm back.